everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to buy XRP on Binance in a quick and easy way. First, visit Binance and log into your account. Click on the Buy Crypto option at the top of the page. Binance offers several ways to buy XRP, including using a credit or debit card, making a bank transfer, or trading through the P2P marketplace. The fastest method is usually paying with a credit or debit card. Simply select XRP as the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the payment to complete your purchase. If you have already deposited funds into your Binance account through a bank transfer, head over to the trade section and choose either convert or support trading. Search for XRP, select a trading pair such as XRP or USDT. Enter the amount you wish to buy and click Buy XRP to place your order. You can also purchase XRP through Binance P2P. Just open the P2P trading section, select Buy, choose XRP, pick a seller with your preferred payment method, and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. After your order is completed, your XRP will appear in your Binance support wallet, where it will be available for trading, holding, or transferring whenever you need it. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.